This is my phylogenetic tree of mystical sea creatures. This is my rooted tree, which is used to study groups of like organisms. We use anageneticus, which shows the gradual evolution of a species. We have our internal nodes, which are the black dots that help connect the branches. They also show us the splitting of the parent species into two distinct species, which is referred to as cladogenesis. We then have OTUs, which are operation taxonomic units, and they show us basically how closely they are related. So first we have Hydra. Hydra is a multi-headed sea serpent. Then we have the Leviathan, which is also a multi-headed sea serpent. And here you can see the OTU showing their relation. We then come to our first internal node, which will lead us to a split in the parent species, and that produces the Tiamat, which is a single-headed giant sea serpent. From there, we have the Serene Croin, which is another single-headed sea serpent or sea dragon. And you can see here the internal node and the split. From there, we have the Jormungandr, which shows another internal node with another split. And you can see that this species is actually starting to grow more limbs. From there, we have Cetus, which continues to grow more limbs, it appears, and so we have another internal split. And from this internal split, we actually have an outgroup. So the outgroup is basically showing us that the organisms are related, but they're much more distantly related. And in our split group, we have the Scylla and the Inchenda, and that OTU, which is down at the bottom corner, is showing basically that they're related to the serpents, but they are not closely related. And you can see that because she is half serpent and half human, or siren. And you see that again with Inchenda, which is also a half serpent, half human. And that is my phylogenetic tree of sea serpents with an outgroup of half sea serpent and half human. And these are my sources.